The journey begins as we move from outside into the heart of the tablet factory.
Different tablets and capsules move automatically through the conveyor system. High-quality tablet raw materials arrive at the factory for processing.
Every ingredient is carefully tested to ensure purity and quality.
Ingredients are mixed precisely to form the perfect tablet blend. The blended powder undergoes wet granulation for better compression.
Granules are dried under controlled temperature for consistent quality.
Dried granules are milled to uniform size for smooth tablet formation. The powder is compressed into tablets with perfect shape and size. Tablets receive protective coating for taste, appearance, and stability. Close-up of tablet ingredients being mixed with precision. Granulation drums turn powder into uniform granules. Granules are dried in controlled oven for perfect consistency. Milled granules are uniform, ready for compression.
Coated tablets are polished to a glossy, appealing finish. Tablets receive protective coating in coating pan.
Polishing drum gives tablets a glossy finish.
Counting machines ensure accurate number of tablets per pack. Each medicine tablet is checked for defects using advanced inspection technology.
Every tablet is weighed to meet exact standards.
Hardness of each tablet is tested to ensure durability.
Dissolution tests confirm tablets release medicine effectively.
Tablets are tested to resist breakage during handling.
Colors are checked to maintain consistency across batches.
Each tablet is stamped with the brand logo for authenticity. A final quality audit ensures all standards are met. Skilled workers monitor every step of tablet production. Compression presses shape granules into tablets flawlessly. Batch numbers are printed accurately on each tablet pack. Skilled workers monitor every step of tablet production.
The factory glows as a hub of precision tablet manufacturing.
Tablets are packed in blisters to protect from moisture and damage. Boxes are labeled accurately with batch numbers and expiry dates.
Boxes are grouped and packed into cartons for shipping.
Cartons are weighed to ensure correct quantity. Final inspection ensures no damaged packages are shipped. Final inspection ensures no damaged packages are shipped.
Cartons are packed and checked before loading into trucks. Blisters are formed to hold tablets securely.
Labels are printed with batch and expiry details.
Boxes move along the conveyor for efficient packing. Finished products are stored in climate-controlled warehouse. Robots transport cartons efficiently within the warehouse. Cartons are prepared for loading onto delivery vehicles.
Forklifts move cartons to storage shelves.
Storage area maintains optimal temperature for tablet stability.
Robots retrieve cartons for shipment efficiently.
Robots stack cartons on pallets for smooth logistics. Pallets are loaded onto trucks using forklifts. Cartons are carefully loaded into trucks for distribution.
Loaded trucks undergo security check before leaving the factory.
A panoramic view of the factory shows all processes in action.
Fully packed trucks await dispatch for delivery.
Fully loaded trucks leave the factory for distribution nationwide.
Loaded trucks pass through security scanning for safety.
Loaded trucks leave the factory, starting their journey.
Trucks start their journey to pharmacies and hospitals. Trucks move out of the factory gate safely. Tablet shipments reach their destinations across the country. A cinematic zoom-out captures the full factory operations. Aerial view shows the entire factory and outgoing trucks.